Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my take on the Christmas vanilla cream fudge. So 4 ingredients, so easy to make, but it's very rich. I mean very rich, so a little bit goes a long way. So when I was little, my mother would make this for us growing up, and this is just my take on her recipe. So let's go over the ingredients and let's get going, guys. Okay guys, for this recipe you're going to need 2 tablespoons of room temperature butter, half a cup of peanut butter. This is just a plain peanut butter, no anything in it. And you're going to need these. These are the ZACHARY'S old-fashioned vanilla cream drops. I'm sure you can find these online, but I can only make this around Thanksgiving and Christmas because this is the only time I can find these in any store near me. So if I make this during any other time, I have to order these online. But I will leave the link to the website for these in the description box. So you're going to need 4 packs of these, and you're also going to need some vanilla and an 8x8 greased and lined with parchment paper pan. I just lined it, greased it with a little bit of butter, put the paper down in there and buttered it again, so that's good to go. So let's get started. First things first is you're going to just add everything into your bowl. And along with your peanut butter, this is just plain creamy peanut butter, and you're going to need about a teaspoon of vanilla, and then you're just going to pop this in the microwave for about a minute. Give it a stir, and you're going to keep doing this until it is completely melted. Okay guys, so this took about 2 minutes for it to completely melt, and then I just mixed it very well, made sure all of the peanut butter and all of the vanilla and butter were really well incorporated. So what we're going to do now is just take this and just put it into your lined baking dish. And then just kind of smush it down. It's very thick, but just work with it and it will get there. Kind of smooth it out. Now it will set pretty quickly, so you have to move fairly quickly to get it in there. Now I'm going to do half of this with a little bit of pecans. And then just take your spatula and then just kind of press it down just so it sits right on the top of the fudge. Then I'm going to do just a little piece, or I should say a quarter of it, with a little bit of salt, because I love that salty sweet. Then just kind of pat it down. And then I'm just going to leave some of it plain. Now you're just going to let this cool and set. I usually put mine in the refrigerator for about an hour, but you can leave it on the counter until it gets completely set. Okay, you guys, they are done, and I went ahead and cut them into cubes. They're about 1 inch by 1 inch cubes. They're not very big because you have to remember these are very, very rich, so a little bit goes a long way. But this is what they look like. You got the pecan right here, the salted, and then the plain is right back here in the back. And they make really, really good gifts too, you guys. I buy like little tins and put a little bit of tissue paper down in there, put a little bit of each one in each tin, and give them away as gifts. Perfect for the holidays. So let's just give these a try. This is how big they are. They're just 1 inch by 1 inch squares. Not very big at all. They're so sweet. Nice and fudgy. Not tough at all. Great, great, great for the holidays. So I hope you guys give these a try. And if you do, let me know in the comment section down below. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and be part of the family here at the Southern Rustic. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.